Hey guys, welcome back to Grace and Gather Designs YouTube channel. My name is Anna and today I'm going to be showing you a really cool way to add a unique touch to your envelopes. This is perfect if you're going to be hand delivering invitations. I wouldn't really say that this is a good idea for your regular snail mail just because I'm not so sure that the plants would stay on. But today we're putting plants in our wax seals. So to do that, you just want to melt up your wax just like you normally would. They can be dry plants, they can be fresh plants, doesn't really matter. You just have to make sure that you pour the wax over some part of the plant so that it sticks on. So right here, I'm kind of doing it right in the middle so that you see the bottom of the stem and you also see the leafy part of the plant. Make sure your stamp is facing up and it's correct, and you just press down and act like there's not even a plant in there. Peel it off and you're left with a gorgeous, unique, very cute envelope and seal and plant. So it's a really cool way to personalize things for either yourself or whoever you're giving the envelope to. Here is another kind of technique. I don't really know if I should call it a technique, but I'm not going to be putting the whole plant in the wax. I'm just going to pour it directly over the bottom. So like I said, as long as you have a part of the plant in the wax, you should be good to go. And just do realize that you probably will not get that perfect wax pour circle that you would with pretty much any kind of plant. So don't expect it because I haven't had it happen yet. But anyway, just press down, act like there's not even a plant there, peel it off, and you have a very unique stamp. The top half of this stamp, not half, but that little bit there that's missing is actually underneath the plant, so that can happen too. And now I have one more to show you. This is mint. I don't actually know what the other two plants are. I found them in the garden outside, so I just took them. So they were fresh at one point, now they're kind of a little dreary looking. And this one, I'm just going right over all the leaves just to show you that this can work on pretty much any kind of plant. And I am just going to press my stamp down like I normally would. So name of the game, pick a cool plant you like, act like it's not even there. It's going to turn out really, really cool looking. And there is your one-of-a-kind wax seal with a cute green little plant in it. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope this gives you some cool ideas of plants and stuff to put in your stamps. Make sure you subscribe because I have a ton more wax stamping cool videos planned. I have some cool ideas for my seals. So yeah, if you're interested, make sure you subscribe because those will definitely be coming up here soon. And I think that's all I have for you guys. Have a great day. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.